In this video, I wanna explain how to make hardtack from Trader Joe's pizza dough. And I also bake one hard bread. It looks like French bread, French baguette. And explanation say you should preheat oven to 475 Fahrenheit degree, but I recommend you to bake this hardtack at 360 Fahrenheit degree. And the key to make hardtack like long-lasting bread is dehydrate inside water well, so you need to make hole like this. I used fork, and I also mix caraway seed little bit because taste better and smell also good. And this hardtack include some sea salt and also some protein, and you can supply little bit iron too. So it's suitable snack for kids who play sports a lot, or you can also bring this for your long flight or picnic or climbing mountain. And also you can preserve this in airtight container, and yeah, this will become emergency food too. But original hardtack recipe, you can just make wheat flour, salt and water. So if you wanna really make classic one and wanna preserve hardtack really for a long time, for many years, you need to make hardtack from scratch. But if you wanna just enjoy to make hardtack and wanna make little bit long lasting snack for kids, I recommend this. You can also buy pizza dough from Safeway, I think. And the key to preserve food for a long time is dehydrate inside water, or you can also freeze stuff. Yeah, these two ways basic way to preserve food. It's better like not to use refrigerator because you don't know in the emergency case all electricity will shut down. So just please make fun to make this with your kids. Thank you for watching.